You know that moment when you tell yourself, I'll just scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 2 hours later, your brain feels fried and you've done nothing you planned? Yeah, that's not a motivation problem. That's a system problem. And here's why that matters, because the same invisible forces that are making it harder for you to focus are the exact same forces that are making it easier for AI to replace you. Most people think AI is going to take jobs because it's smarter. That's not actually true. AI isn't replacing people because it's intelligent. It's replacing people because it's consistent. And here's what most people don't realize. In today's economy, consistency beats intelligence almost every time. Let's break this down with simple numbers. Imagine two workers. Person A, human, works 8 hours per day, gets distracted 2 hours per day, makes small mistakes 5% of the time. AI system works 24 hours per day, never gets distracted, error rate near 0% for repetitive tasks. Now, let's do the math. Over 1 week, human equals 40 hours times 75% efficiency equals 30 effective hours. AI equals 168 hours times 100% equals 168 effective hours. That's not a small difference. That's over 5 times more output, and that's before we even factor in cost. Let's say a company pays you $25 per hour to $1,000 per week. AI system, $200 per month to $50 per week. So now the company is choosing between $1,000 to 30 hours of imperfect work, $50 to 168 hours of consistent work. This is where it gets really interesting, because this decision has nothing to do with how talented you are. It's pure math. Now you might be thinking, okay, but I'm not replaceable. I'm creative. I think differently, right? And you might be right. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most jobs don't reward creativity. They reward predictability, and humans by nature are not predictable. We get tired, we procrastinate, we avoid hard tasks. There's actually a concept in psychology called cognitive load. The more decisions you make throughout the day, the worse your performance becomes. AI doesn't have that problem. It doesn't get decision fatigue. It doesn't wake up feeling off. It doesn't need motivation. Think about your health for a second. You know what to do: eat better, exercise, sleep properly, but knowing doesn't mean doing. Why? Because your brain is wired for short-term comfort, not long-term optimization. Now apply that to work. Even if you can perform at a high level, you won't do it consistently. And companies don't pay for potential. They pay for outputs. Here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't taking jobs randomly. It's targeting a very specific type of work. Repetitive, predictable, measurable. If your job can be broken into steps, it can be automated. Let me give you a real-world scenario. There was a company that hired 10 customer support agents. Each agent handled about 50 tickets per day. That's 500 tickets total. Then they introduced an AI system. Within 3 months, AI handled 80% of tickets. The company only needed 2 human agents. Nothing about those 8 people changed. They didn't get worse at their jobs. The system just got better. This is where it gets really interesting, because this isn't just about jobs. It's about how humans operate. There are 2 modes you can be in: reactive mode, responding, following instructions, completing tasks; proactive mode, creating systems, making decisions, solving new problems. AI destroys reactive roles, but it amplifies proactive ones. Now you might be thinking, so what? Everyone just becomes a CEO? No, but everyone needs to think like a system builder, because the people who survive this shift aren't the hardest workers. They're the ones who understand leverage. Think of it like fitness. You could work out 2 hours every day with no plan, or follow a structured program 45 minutes per day. The second person gets better results with less effort. Why? Because systems beat efforts, yeah? Every time. The most valuable skill in the AI era is not coding, writing, designing. It's this: knowing what to do, not just how to do it. AI can execute, but it still needs direction. Let's make this practical. Here are 5 things you can start doing immediately. 1, audit your job. Ask yourself, which parts of my job are repetitive? Which parts require real thinking? Double down on the second category. 2, learn to use AI. Don't compete with it. Instead of saying, AI is taking my job, start asking, how can AI make me 10 times better? People who use AI will replace people who don't. 3, build decision-making skills. Practice problem solving, critical thinking, prioritization. These are much harder to automate. 4, reduce your own human weaknesses. Remember earlier when we talked about distraction? If you can, focus longer, be more consistent, execute faster, you become less replaceable. 5, think in systems instead of asking, what task should I do? Ask, what system can I build so this runs without me? That shift changes everything. Here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's exposing inefficiency. The uncomfortable truth is, a lot of jobs only existed because humans were limited. Now, those limits are disappearing. This might sound scary, but it's also an opportunity because for the first time ever, the gap between average and exceptional is widening fast. And that means small improvements in how you think and work can lead to massive advantages. So here's the question. You need to ask yourself, are you going to compete against AI? Or are you going to become the person who uses it better than everyone else? Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the most adaptable. If you want to stay ahead, start thinking differently today. And more importantly, start building systems that make you impossible to replace. If this changed how you think, subscribe. Because the next video will show you exactly how to turn AI into your biggest advantage.